Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mehzabin. I have started a new art challenge hosted by Keshart, and you can find it on the 100 Days of Sketch account. The first prompt on the list is Worm Hat. At first, I thought everyone would just draw a worm with a hat, so I wanted to try something different. I imagined a worm under a mushroom, using the mushroom as its hat. Since I haven't done traditional art in a long time, it was a bit difficult. I highlighted the outlines with a gel pen, erased the pencil marks, and then started coloring. For the mushroom, I chose yellow and red. For the worm, I used skin tones to make it look cuter. And I finished the eyes with a black marker. So this is my worm hat. I actually hate worms, but in this drawing it looks fine. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.